natin, hawak niyo yung phone at magpapasahan na lang kayo sa live, no? Okay, okay, gawin natin yan sa South Mall. Basta malakas ang signal.
Ayan! Marami naman. Sino familiar sa paper dance?
Meron.
Wala.
Dyan pag bumababa kayo.
Raindrop ano to? Raindrop?
Ako nakakalimutan.
Kahit na yun. Raindrops.
Ang sama din.
What if walang upuan? Sorry.
Lakad na lang.
Lakad na lang.
Pwede ba?
Oo, wag na. Try nyo ngayon walang upuan.
Ano yan? Ay,
Or so, audience kayo niya. Tapos blocking rin. Ito na. Levels na lang.
Nag-emote pa siya eh. Live music video.
Mukhang ba'y narinig-isip kahit madaming mga bago lumalapit sa akin bakit biglang nawala.
Nasa City of Love sila. Ano pa ba?
City of Love. Ayaw nga na City of Love kayo. City of Love.
Parang kailan ka ba sasabihin Feel lost like I need a friend. Some words that I never said. Forget about what it could have been. Need a voice on another land. Something in these raindrops keeping me awake. I hate to say I'm missing you. Sorry girl, you miss me too. All you like is raindrops. Promises it won't stop.
Bagong choreo.
Di ba rin ako sanay wala ka sa'king tabi Pag-gising sa umaga, hanap ko yung mamahalip Sa tuwing umuulan, ngunit ng iyong katawan Ang balutin mo ulit ako kung kailan balikan Lagi lang ako kita'y kailan ka ba sasabihin kung wala kong iwasan
Oo, diba? Live performance video yan. Sana na-record nyo.
Hindi natin nagawa. Wala na tayong upuan ba? Wala. Hindi natin nagawa eh. So, kung tapos yung second verse ko, pumunta pa rin ako doon.
Pwede naman. As is, hindi, wala nang upuan. Pero
Kasi kung wala upuan, may sense pa ba bababa kami? Bababa pa rin ba? Or kasi yung
Kasi umi-exit sila.
exit namin, purpose na
Isa-isang exit yun eh.
Hi kayo kay Miko.
Labas na lang kayo namin.
Pwede naman, oo. Wala lang upuan talaga.
Iwan na lang namin si Sir.
Oo. Para lang merong ano. May drama na okay. Ibawas-bawas.
Tapos, pansinin ko lang coach sa performance. Yung silent good.
City of Love. Hindi kasi siya, hindi siya Ready?
Sinisinta-sinta.
Three. Ako na rin. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Infatuated, I need your touch. I gotta have it, can't get enough. Like a fire burning, we were twin flame. Baby, when you call me, you can call me by your name. Di mo na kailangan pang sumahin ng pag-ibig. Oh, there's only one word that describes the way I fit in. There's a lot of gas in the world, but you sound different things on your lady tongue. I rock and roll with your man, get it away. I just blow with you, yeah, I got money, but I feel it, there's no attention. You're the only one, ice cold like a factory, sweetheart. You be giving me cavities, charged up, give me energy, like a battery. You work hard, you should've put
Live music video kasi ito.
kailangan pang sumahin ng saging. There's only one word that describes the way I'm fitting. Sing